Alright, this is the diesel heating system for the new hostel. We have the option of heating both diesel or electric through the radiators, or for the water heaters. So you notice on the switches here we have electric heating, or diesel hot water, or diesel heating. So we're actually using electric heating to run the place at the moment. So for electric heating we've got to have the valves on as per the label. So the valve number 1 is on, number 2 is off for electric heating.
Show them where they're written on the valves.
And number 1 valve is up here, just beside the pump, so that's number 1 valve. And number 2 valve is down below it, also just below it. So the purpose of changing these valves is to stop water backflowing in the wrong direction and to enable the water to flow where we want it to. So by changing these valves we're able to do that. So relatively simply we can change this over to diesel heating now, because we're not getting enough electric heating, or for whatever reason we need to change to diesel heating, by changing the switch to off. The diesel heating switches both on, so we want diesel hot water and diesel room temperature heating. And then we need to turn the diesel burner on.
What about these?
Change the taps over.
And top one off. Number 1 off, number 2 on. Yeah.
And proceed to turn the diesel burner on.
See that?
Now to either just use the diesel to heat the rooms or the water heating, you can just select the switch. Diesel burner is now going, diesel water heating is going. The diesel water heating set by the temperature controllers on top of the water heaters. There's one here and another one in the upstairs hot water cylinder. Now they're set and forget, and we do not need to operate them, don't need to change them. There's two water pumps here. These 2 water pumps, one is for the water heating and the other one is for the radiator heating. The 3rd water pump above is to enable us to circulate the water from the electric hot water cylinders back through the radiators, which is done via a heat exchanger, so we're not actually cross-contaminating the water, but that means we're able to actually use, when we're running on hydro, we're able to use free heating. So as it's pouring down today and wet, we're going to change back over to electric heating now. So we're going to change our switches over. We're going to turn our burner off. We're going to change our switches both over to electric, and we're going to proceed to change our taps into the correct position. Turning number 1 on and number 2 off. The water heating pump and system is controlled via the room temperature thermostat upstairs in the hostel, sitting on the wall, and it's set for a set point of 20 degrees or 18 degrees, and it should just take care of itself and just heat the radiators and things to suit.